This is 41 Mayfair Road, a lovely 6-bedroom property in the heart of Jesmond, close to Waitrose and Tesco's and bars on Osborne Road. Walking up the entrance stairs, we come straight into the open-plan living room, which is fully furnished with 2 big comfy sofas, a wall-mounted TV, and a wooden dining table and chairs. Next, we come to the beautiful galley-styled kitchen, which is super bright thanks to the big window. It's kitted out with modern appliances, including a washing machine, cooker, and fridge freezer. Next up, we have the first 2 spacious double bedrooms. The rooms are all furnished to a high standard with comfy double beds, desks, and ample storage furnishings. Up to the top floor, we have the other 4 double bedrooms. These are all lovely and bright. Also on this floor is a modern bathroom with a bath and overhead shower. Out the back is a compact yard with secure bicycle storage. This house also benefits from 500 megabits per second Virgin Media broadband and 3 parking permits.